Vidyas Tatha Jnanam, I am Ruchi. Children, since previous 3 videos we are learning chapter number 6, Every Drop Counts, and we have learned various topics under it such as story of Gadsisar Lake, beautiful step wells of India, various water conservation techniques, customs related to water, and this is how we get water. Children, in today's video, we will learn 2 important and last topic of this chapter. Yes, this video is the concluding video of this lesson, in which we will learn 2 topics. First one is it can be done, and second one is why do we pay for water? Children, these 2 topics are extremely important. So please watch full video to learn this, and I am sure you will enjoy it thoroughly. So let's begin our class. But before that, please subscribe my channel Arun Jyot and also like and share this video so that your learning goes on without any interruption. First topic, it can be done. Children, water is the basic necessity of life, but not everybody is getting enough water to live and to drink. In the previous part also we have seen that many people are facing various difficulties in getting water. Some people has to go to faraway places like lakes, rivers, canals to fetch everyday water. Some people are facing electricity problems. Some people are getting dirty and polluted water, and because of all these reasons, some people have started doing nasty things. They are putting the pump directly into the Jal Board pipeline. How far is this thing correct? But every problem comes with a solution, and hard work is the key to success. There are many groups in our country which are working to provide water to various villages by doing hard work. And there is one such group named Tarun Bharat Sangh. What these type of groups actually do? Let us learn. They ask the elders in the village that what was the water arrangement in their times. These types of groups rebuild the lakes, johards which are old, and they are also building new lakes and johards. So, to know more about this, let's learn the story of Darki Mai. Darki Mai lives in Alwar district of Rajasthan. Now, in her village, women spent most of their time looking after their households and their animals. And sometimes they took the whole night to pull the water for their animals. And in summer season, when all the wells gets dried up, they have to leave their village. So, after hearing about this Tarun Bharat Sangh, Darki Mai asked them for help, and people from this group and from the village came together and they built a lake in this village. So now people are getting more water, they are getting more milk from the animals, and that's why they have started earning more. So now they are facing less water problems. So what a good thing we have learned today. Children, do you have heard about these types of groups which are facilitating and helping the people where there is water scarcity? And one most important thing I want to ask you, that will you wish to do some kind of work which solve the water problems in our country in future? Then please feel free to share your comments with me in the comment section below. I will be very happy to hear from all of you. Now let's move on to the last topic of this chapter. Why do we pay for water? Yes, this is the important question. Please look at this bill. This is a water bill which comes every month to our houses. and we are paying for water. Children, water is one of the natural resources like wind, mountains, trees, sunlight, which is free for all of us. But then also, why are we paying for water? Children, there are few reasons behind this, so let's explore about it. First reason is that these water bodies like rivers, lakes, canals, they might be far away from our households. And another reason is that water in these water bodies are mostly polluted and they are not suitable for drinking. So, the local authorities which works under the state governments, or we can say that Jal Board, they provide us with some facilities or services. What do they do? The water from these water bodies gets transported to the purification centers with the help of a pipeline. Now, at these purification center, the water, the dirty water, the polluted water gets filtered and purified, and after that it reaches to our house, and now the water is suitable for drinking and for all other household purposes. And because the Jal Board or the local authorities are providing us these types of services, they are taking money from us, and so we have to pay water bill every month, and the rate of these bills are almost the same all over the state. So I hope now everything is clear to you that why do we pay for water. Now, please again take a look at this bill. There are some few important things which are written in this bill. First of all, you can see at the top of the bill the name of the authority which is providing us this water, or which is responsible for the supply of water. Here the name is Delhi Jal Board, Delhi Sarkar. Second important thing is the name of the person to whom the bill is due. यानी कि हमारे घर में बिल आया है तो आपके घर में आपके पापा का या आपके दादा का नाम लिखा होगा कि जिनको ये पैसे, वाटर बिल के पैसे जिनको पे करने हैं. एंड द लास्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग चिल्ड्रन इज दैट द अमाउंट पेएबल. What amount you have to pay to the Jal Board, this is written at the last. So, three things are important at this stage for all of you. So, I hope everything is clear to you, and this chapter also. If you have any other doubts, then please feel free to ask me in the comment section. And you can do one thing also, you can ask your elders to show you the water bill which comes to your house, and you can also mark the important things and analyze it as we did it here. So I think and I hope you will enjoy doing this thing, and we will meet in the next video with new lesson, new chapter number 7. Till then, bye-bye, take care, namaste, stay healthy, stay safe, and most importantly, stay happy.